28 Augusta driveway is a rare end unit bungalow surrounded by green with a private extra long drive, an extra window in the kitchen, and tons of privacy in the front and back exterior spaces. This elegant home has been beautifully upgraded and meticulously cared for. Complete turnkey living for a downsizer looking for easy, one-level living with bonus space in the fabulous basement. And in Swan Lake, you get the carefree condo lifestyle with the space of a house. Management takes care of the exterior while you just enjoy a vibrant village with friendly neighbors, 24-hour gatehouse security, and resort-inspired amenities. The 1324 square foot wood duck model is rarely offered as an end unit. As you come up the front walk, there's a private front deck perfect for barbecuing all year long, or a secluded, shady afternoon spot with a safety railing and upgraded front door with decorative glass insert. Moving inside, you're greeted by a front foyer with upgraded flooring, coppered ceiling and pot lights, and front hall closet, and move through to an open concept, spacious living, dining, and sunroom area with hardwood flooring, cozy gas fireplace, vaulted ceilings, a skylight, wall-to-wall windows with lush green views and custom window coverings, and a walkout to the private back deck. The updated eat-in kitchen is a favorite with Swan Lake buyers because it has a walkout to the patio for great airflow. There's ample upgraded cabinetry with pull-out shelving, a granite countertop, double undermount sink with window over top, stylish backsplash with task lighting, upgraded flooring, and new stainless steel appliances including smooth top stove, built-in microwave hood fan, and a double-door fridge with bottom mount freezer. The cozy breakfast area has custom window coverings and a walkout to the front deck. The primary bedroom has hardwood floors and windows overlooking the greenery at the back and fits a king-size suite. It has a walk-in closet with organizers and a large ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower stall with safety bars, deep soaker tub, and an upgraded comfort height vanity with granite countertops and upgraded lighting and mirror. The second bedroom is located at the front of the house for privacy and is currently used as a den. This room is located close to the second full private bathroom as well as the linen closet. The lower level has been beautifully finished to include another 1,300 square feet of living space. The third bedroom has a window and a double closet and is located close to the third full bathroom. Enjoy movie nights all year long in this large rec room, complete with wet bar, cozy gas fireplace, and laminate floors. The basement office also has a window and double closet, a perfect work-from-home space. There's also a storage area with an updated furnace, and the central air conditioning has been updated as well. The back deck is your private oasis all summer long, complete with barbecue hookup. Surrounded by majestic trees, it's a leafy green paradise. Nothing but the sound of the birds or the wind in the leaves as you while away a sunny afternoon. The location is ideal, close to visitor parking, the nearest clubhouse with pool, pickleball, and library.
Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit station, Markham Stovall Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407. For more information about this very special home, call or text us at 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca,
or visit us online at www.walkerparker.ca.